Hello guys, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back again to our channel Job Seekers Hub. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about three important hiring updates from Accenture and one work from home opportunity from Amazon. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe our Job Seekers Hub channel. And before starting this video, I just want to share one update. Yesterday, I had shared Hawkins, Deloitte, and Zensar off-campus drives. Here, Zensar is sending a direct assessment mails for the candidates. That is a work from home based opportunity, and the compensation is 50,000, guys. Yes, the compensation is a 50,000. If you still didn't apply for this opportunity, you can apply for that opportunity by clicking this video, or else I will give this video link in the description. From there, you can apply for the same, and the joining date is 1 September, guys. So you had around 13 days of time. So try to apply for the opportunity as soon as possible and complete your assessment as well. Now the today hiring is about Accenture, guys. So I already shared custom software engineer opportunity in our channel. If you are the one who didn't apply for this opportunity, and if you had a good knowledge on a development, you can apply for this opportunity now. Required skill is a Python and the location is Hyderabad. Just a few days ago I shared this opportunity. Many of the candidates are able to apply for this opportunity. Now another opportunity got live from Accenture. This is a application support engineer. Here you can see this is also a package application development associate. Required skill is Python. Experience is 0 to 2 years, but the title here is application support engineer. Here you can read the description. Act as a software detectives, provide a dynamic services, identifying and solving issues with multiple components of critical business systems. Must have skill is Python. Good to have AI and data solution architecture. These are two hirings. So one is only for Hyderabad region. This is a developer role. Here you can see develop custom software solutions to design code. This is a support role, technical support role, like act as a software detective, provide a dynamic service, identifying and solving issues with something. And another is full stack engineer. Yes, these three hirings are from Accenture alone. This is also a package application development associate. The location is Gurugram and required skill is Nutanix architecture. I don't know this Nutanix architecture, but if you guys had knowledge on that particular technology, you can apply for this opportunity as well. Here you can see responsible for developing. Yes, this is a developer role as well. Must have skills. Only they mentioned Nutanix architecture. Minimum experience is 0 to 2 years. Education qualification 15 years is enough for this role as well. Here you can see roles and responsibilities. Expert to build knowledge and support to the team, participate in problem solving discussions, and professional and technical skills. Must proficiency in Nutanix architecture, strong understanding of cloud computing concepts and infrastructure as well needed for this particular opportunity. Experience with software development life cycle and agile methodologies. Ability to work with both front end and back end, because this is a full stack developer hiring. So you have to know and the knowledge on both front end and back end. Familiarity with troubleshooting and debugging complex issues. So the candidate minimum have 0 to 2 years of experience. Location is Gurugram. And this is a application support engineer. Required skill is Python programming language. Good to have AI and data solution architecture. This is a technical support role. Here you can see these are the roles and responsibilities. Must have experience with generative AI data solutions architecture, and this is for Mumbai office. And another one is for Hyderabad region. This is position is based at our Hyderabad office. I just want to share one thing. Don't try to apply for three opportunities at once. If you applied for Python role, wait for the update. If you didn't got any update from the team, try to mail them. Like I applied for that so and so opportunity on particular date. I didn't receive any kind of communication regarding that, whether the role is still open or not. I'm unable to apply for other opportunities. You can write a mail like that, you will get reply from them. If you applied for application support engineer, don't apply for full stack. If you applied for full stack, don't apply for application support engineer. And the last hiring is from Amazon, guys. So Amazon is hiring for ML data operations, Go AI operations. This is a work from home based opportunity. Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai, and AP all are virtual only. You have to read the key responsibilities like 6.8 to 7 hours day is spent to answer the videos. Associate who hired to work from home should maintain dedicated workspace. Table chair is mandatory. Sufficient lighting workspace, like that. Laptop they will provide. You don't need have to a personal laptop. They will provide the laptop for you. Willing to work in non-tech role for contract duration of 6 months. Means for 6 months you have to work on non-tech role. Next, ability to audit image, video, text-based jobs, ability to identify details from blurry, less sharp videos and providing the correct response requires high-level attention and focus on the screen. Willing to work in incremental targets, goals and productivity, like that. They given many. And here you can see associate to work in a 24 by 7 environment. Means you have to work on 24 by 7, like maybe night shift, morning shift, noon shift, like that. It will be there. And the important point is readiness to come to office for a few days when required. Applicable for associates working from home. So in some cases you need to have to go to office, and then again you will be granted on work from home. And willing to switch on laptop camera while on virtual meetings, so that is also needed. And associate 2 would be working in 9-hour shift including pre-scheduled breaks. The shift timing would be subject to change every 3 to 4 months as per business requirements. You will get a 2 consecutive days off, not necessarily Saturday and Sunday. Maybe Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, like that. You may get rotational weeks off as well. So if you are interested in this opportunity, you can apply for this opportunity. Anyone can apply for this opportunity. This is a bachelor's degree is the minimum qualification for that particular opportunity. Preferred qualification is work of flexible schedule, shift work area including weekends, nights and or holidays. So if you are the one who can work in any time without thinking about holidays, you just go and apply for this work from home opportunity. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video. And if you had any doubts regarding Accenture hiring, try to comment. I will give answer for those. And thank you for watching again. Jai Hind. Bye bye now.